Morning. We are at the Omaka Aviation Heritage Museum, which is apparently a very nice museum. Dangerous skies. So World War I has a deep cleaning today, so we might come back tomorrow. But let's see World War II for now. So this guy was shot down 4 times and suffered 10 crashes. And at one time he fell out of this plane with his parachute into a dinner party. And his wounds were
Meanwhile, Germany lost just 16,000 in the invasion of Poland. The Germans went on to invade and conquer other countries including Denmark, Belgium, the Netherlands, France, Greece and Yugoslavia. France surrendered, but after losing 92,000 soldiers in the Battle of France. Over 200,000 ultimately fell, which includes deaths in POW camps, French colonies and other fighting. Yugoslavia suffered almost 500,000 military deaths.
So yeah, I'm not really sure what I think about these exhibitions. I think it was cool, but it was not really my interest in all the details about the planes and when and how they were used and stuff like that. I don't know. It was still cool, and for I think 25 bucks it was solid. Maybe a bit short. We're now heading back to Randwick to have maybe a last little wine tasting and then head to Picton tomorrow. That's the plan. Definitely a windy one today. Lovely wine tasting. I found the bell. It was missing earlier. It says, ring the bell loudly. But before I could read and understand, they were already opening the door for me. Just at the wine tasting, it was amazing. Just this one guy just talking to me essentially. And we tried a couple of wines and yeah, back to the car. She's still windy, as you probably hear. So on today's menu is sunset, naan bread, steak and butter beef spicy, which is very, very liquid for what a usually curry is, but give it a whirl. Yeah, very watery, but yeah, nice, good in flavor, good in spiciness. Let's try the steak. It's pretty good. Also just flavored with the pepper instead of the pinched pepper. Alright, I'll enjoy this and see you tomorrow. No, my phone fell into the curry. There's curry out. Oh no!